all respected teacher, principal ma'am and my dear friends. I am Miss Vaishnavi Sanjay Daspute and I am from 8th standard. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate the festival of Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is a day of traditional worship of Nagas or snakes observed by Hindus throughout the India, Nepal and other countries. The worship is often on the fifth day of bright half of lunar month of Shravan, that is June or August according to the Hindu calendar. I wish all of you happy Nag Panchami. Now Bhakti Gandhi is going to deliver a speech.
Hello everyone, myself Bhakti Jitendra Gandhi from class 4th. I am going to speak few words on the occasion of Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is a famous festival of Hindus. It falls on the 5th day of the Krishna Paksha in the month of Shravan. According to Hindu calendar, it is celebrated all over India. It generally falls in the month of July or August according to modern calendar. There are many stories behind the celebration of this festival. The most popular legend is about Lord Krishna. When Krishna was just a young boy, he was playing the game of throwing the ball with his friends. During the play, the ball fell into Yamuna river. The legend how Krishna defeated Kaliya Sarpan and saved the people. Nag Panchami is a festival during which Hindus worship live nags or cobras or images of them. In South India, Nag Panchami is a festival that brings siblings together to celebrate their families' well-being. On this day, married women and girls wake up early in the morning. They take bath, arrange for puja and go to the nearest ant hill or snake's home to perform puja. Celebration of Nag Panchami involves women swinging on swings hung on tree branches. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhakti. Now Vak Kartikeya is going to deliver a speech.
Hello everybody, myself Kartiki Tanaji Wag. My school name is Moa Public School Soni. I am studying in 7th standard. Today is Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is a Hindu festival where snakes are worshipped. According to Hindu calendar, Nag Panchami is celebrated during the month of Shravan on the 5th day. Nag Panchami is also one of the most auspicious ceremonies that are celebrated annually. In the South India, Nag Panchami is a celebration that brings brothers or sisters with each other to celebrate their family member wellness. On the Nag Panchami day, snakes are not killed and filled, sure not plucked to avoid even accidental killing of a snake. In many parts of India, the occasion is celebrated by singing songs by women and girls. On this day, people give facts, organize and visit temples expressly dedicated to snakes and worship them. Thank you.
Thank you, Kartiki. Now here students are going to perform a drama.
शंकर, अरे शंकर, चल की लवकर. आवलंस की नाही तुझं?
काय रे आबा, कुठं जायचं एवढ्या सकाळी?
अरे विसरलास की काय? तू आज माझ्या संगत रानात आऊत धरायला येणार होतास ना बघ.
पण आबा, आपली आई म्हणाली आज नागपंचमी आहे, आज जमीन खांदू नये.
अरे येडा की खुळा तू. देश कुठं चाललाय आणि तू कुठं राहिलाय? माणूस आता मंगळावर पाय ठेवी, ते काय नाही. चल लवकर.
ठीक आहे, चल लगेच.
चल बैल सोड आणि आवताला घे. अगं साप नाही तो नाग आहे नाग. त्याला बांड आहे. तो बघ बांडांच्या बियात जाऊन घुसलाय. आपण त्याचा आज फरसाच पाडू.
थांबा 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 काय पाप करायला निघाला त्याच्या दुनिया पूजा करणार आहे तुम्ही त्यालाच मारायला निघाला.
अगं गई त्याला आज नाही मारलं तर उद्याच्याला तो आपल्याला धोका बनेल म्हणून मारतो या.
सापांना शेतकऱ्यांचे मित्र म्हणले जाते कारण तो उंदीर खातो. शेतामध्ये उंदीर उभ्या पिकांचं नुकसान करतो. उंदरामुळे उत्पन्न कमी होते. खरं हेच की साप उंदीर खातो. सापाच्या विषापासून औषध निर्मिती होते. सापाविषयी समाजामध्ये अनेक गैरसमज व अंधश्रद्धा आहेत. खरे तर साप हा उपयुक्त प्राणी आहे. नागपंचमीनिमित्त नागांना समजावून घेण्याची गरज आहे. नागपंचमीला नागांची पूजा केली जाते. नागांना जगातील अनेक देशांनी देवांचे स्थान दिलेले आहे. साप म्हणजे मरण ही कल्पना लोकांच्या मनात खोलवर रुजून बसली आहे की साप म्हणताच अनेकांच्या आसपास गळते. सापाविषयी अनेक अंधश्रद्धा प्रचलित आहेत जसे साप दूध पित नाही. सापाचे नैसर्गिक अन्न दूध हे नाही म्हणूनच सापांना बंद कर.
Thank you, students. Now, Sujata ma'am is going to deliver a speech.
Good morning everybody. Myself Sujata Ramesh Darandale from Mula Public School, Sonai. Today we are going to celebrate Nag Panchami. Respected principal, teachers and dear students. Happy Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is an auspicious festival on which snakes are worshipped. Nag Panchami falls in the Hindu month of Shravan. Hindu is a religion where number of god and goddesses are worshipped. Worship and festival means way of life and fellowship of faith. Most of the people visit temple of Lord Shiva and Nag Devta and offers milk, flowers and rice. Nag Panchami Puja also signifies that you should love, respect and embrace all forms of life on the earth. Farmers do not plug earth on the day of Nag Panchami because it can harm or kills snakes. Do not cut trees on the day of Nag Panchami. It can harm or kill the snakes or serpents hiding on the trees. The festival of Nag Panchami is celebrated because there is tremendous rainfall during the month of Shravan. Because of this, during this time snakes often come out of their burrow because of rain that fills their burrow with water. They can kill humans to save themselves. To prevent this, festival of Nag Panchami is celebrated. Many people have misunderstanding that snake drink milk. Truth is that snake don't drink milk. Milk is not the natural food of snake. If you drink milk by mistake, he will be in trouble. One more misunderstanding is that snakes love music or snake tune. Snakes shakes on the rhythm of pungi. Truth is, snakes don't have ears. He doesn't like any kind of music. Ground vibration make him aware of the movement of the enemy. Lastly, I would like to say that if a snake bites, first aid should be taken and admitted to the hospital. Don't waste your time to taking Bua or Bhundu Baba. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, our respected principal ma'am, Miss Madhuri Sorke ma'am is going to deliver a speech.
So, all my dear students and my dear teachers, happy Nag Panchami to all of you. Enjoy the swings and enjoy the delicacies. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now here, Katore Tanishka is going to give a vote of thanks.
Myself, Tanishka Mulkatore. The name of my school is Muna Public School, Sonai. From 4th standard, I wish all of you happy Nag Panchami. I am here to give oath of thanks. I thank respected principal ma'am, teaching and non-teaching staff for organizing such an wonderful program. Thank you. Stay home.
Thank you, Tanishka. With this, I declare that the program is ended up. Again, I wish all of you happy Nag Panchami.